Hello 7th grade learners. This is your weekly instructional launch in English 7. Today we're going to take a look at where you should be in your Summit Learning platform. If we go to the year view, you will see your whole year laid out for you, and you'll notice this blue line, which we call the blue line of progress. Currently, it is right here in the middle of September. And in English, you'll notice that it intersects the Cultural Narrative Project. And it also is intersecting the Focus Area Reading Strategy 7 and moving on to Word Meanings and Nuances 7. Let's start with the Focus Area and open this up. In here you'll find a description of the things that you need to know, your objectives. They are here, and they also appear here. Here are the key vocabulary terms that you should know. The first thing you do in any focus area is begin by taking the diagnostic assessment. This is a 5-question quiz that will show you what you know and what you need to learn. After you take that test, there'll be a score in the objectives, usually a 0 to 3. Then you begin to study your playlist. This is the playlist of resources. Try to watch every single one right now. Later on, when you find out how you learn better, you can pick and choose. But as you're doing it, you need to take Cornell notes. And those notes can be found in your Google Classroom in the About page. While you're taking the notes, you can, before you take a content assessment, which is up in the corner, before you take a content assessment, which is up here in the corner, you will need to have your notes and share them with your instructor and submit a ticket to take the test called a CAT form. The CAT form will be items that you will find as you're exploring your focus area. CAT forms are approved in the mornings from 8 to 9 and in the afternoons starting at 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock. The test should stay open for at least 8 hours. The other thing that you should be working on, where the line of progress intersects, is your projects. Let's open up this project. This is the final products of the project. You're going to be making a journal. You're going to be writing your own personal narrative, and you're going to present it, and that most likely will mean a Google slideshow. Before we are done here, we need to do the checkpoints, and underneath of the products are the checkpoints. The first one is reading analysis. This is the form that you will fill out, and it will automatically upload when you submit it. You are reading The House on Mango Street to be able to fulfill this checkpoint. You can find this book in your Google Classroom that will be in an audiobook. If you go to your About page, again, you can find The House on Mango Street in an audiobook in your About page. There's a link to the book right here, and when you click on the chapters, the author can read the book to you.
The House on Mango Street.
Okay? Once you have finished reading the book along with the audio, then you can write your analysis, finding the theme and the central idea and making inferences in the first checkpoint, and then go down and Click Submit for Feedback.